In this video, I'm going to show you how to get special plastic in Once Human. Now, by far the best areas to find special plastic are these. If you open up your map, these can be found in the dangerous zones up here at level 48, as you can see is required for these zones in the Red Sands area. Now, some main places you should look at to look for to loot for these things is this over here, which is called 73 Source Extraction Point. You also have this one, which is called Blackfell Fallen Zone. And then to the very right over here, the Blackfell oil fields and the Evergreen as well. So these are kind of the four main areas over here where you need to look for these things. Of course, beware because this requires, as you can see, levels from 43 to 48. So there's a bunch of very powerful mobs and enemies waiting for you there. Now you can kill these to get different parts to obtain special plastics, or you can of course simply pick it up from the ground. Now, some things you may want to look for, which will give you special plastics, are enhanced wielding masks, okay, that's one of them, and multi-purpose monocular, that's also one of them. The dual-purpose binoculars will also give you that. You have custom tool sets, grease guns, and versatile screwdriver sets. Now these are some of them that I found to work well and give you some special plastics. However, I'm sure there's some more, but these I just told you about are pretty much the most efficient. It will give you the most special plastics when disassembled. Now once you get those items, you simply want to come back to your territory, open up this assembly bench, click select all, and you'll be able to disassemble everything in your inventory that you've just gathered in the Red Sands area, and you'll be able to get as much special plastics as you want from that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.